Hello, I'm Roy Richmond. I am creating this small video just to show you how to do a snippet of the scriptures that you are searching to find the 9999 numbers. I received several of them over the last few days, and all I've had is the scripture references, so I've had to look them up myself, and then I did a snippet on them. Last night I did about 44, so it takes quite a bit of my time. So what I'd like for you to do, if you haven't done yours yet, is when you find your verse, take a snippet of it. And if you don't know what that is, you can see right down here, I have this little icon. See if I can stretch it out more for you. Whoops, let me find it. It went away. There it is. So it's got a little pair of scissors on it, a little circle, and that's what you can do a snippet of anything on the internet, anything on your computer, and it takes a JPEG picture of it. And so you'll click on that. And if you don't have it, just go down into your search bar where it says type here search and type snippet, and it'll show it to you. You can right click it and you can have it, put it in your down there to bottom where you open up your files. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And I have several verses up here, a couple verses that we're going to look at. So the first one is Colossians 2:3. We click on the Greek Hebrew, and that opens that up for us. And then we push OK, and then it shows you the Greek words right there. So Colossians 2:3, it doesn't have any 999 numbers except for one, but I'm just going to show you how to do this. So you'll click your snippet tool, which I will on my computer right now, and that popped up, and you want to keep it out of the way of what you want to copy, and then you click on new right there where it says new, and the screen will kind of go dull, and you'll go up there and you'll move that and you'll see a cross there, and you want to copy the reference also up here. So you drag that down and drag it over to where you get the entire verse, and then you let up. And then you just go to the middle of it. You'll see a little dot. It's real small. Right click and put copy. Right click and copy. And then you get rid of this. You X off from it. And you don't want to save it unless you want to save it to your files. And then you will have Microsoft Word opened up. So I'm going to open up a Microsoft Word document. And you put your mouse right there. You right click and you paste. And there it is. So you will be able to put this on all your document, everything that you're finding, and then save that under a file. You can save it under with your name and just say my snippets of translations, whatever you want to title it. Once you're done, send me the entire file by messenger, which you can just, there's a place on there where you can link a document, or if you have to, you can email it to me at drroy, middle initial E for Edward, richmond@cox.net. drroy E Richmond at cox.net. And so to do another one, you just kind of put your mouse there and push down, shrink it down. Don't get rid of it, but shrink it down with your minus button up there. And then we'll close that verse out. And then I've got John 16:16 up. So we'll do that. So we want to get the Greek and the Hebrew in a linear Bible. And that's what I want, so I put OK. And it shows the Greek and Hebrew. And this one here is interesting. It says, in a little while you shall see me, and again a little while and you shall see me, because I go to the Father. But that was all added. Jesus did not leave. He was already with the Father. Father was just like we're with the Father. And that was interesting. Dan Taylor found that, and I call that a gold mine. And so you want to snippet that. So you click on your snippet tool, and then you click new. And again, I have the snippet tool down on the bottom where I have all my icons for my programs I open up. Click new. And then you want to go up there where the verse is, where we can see the verse, and then drag that over with your mouse. You're clicking on your left button on your mouse and click it over just like that. And then put your mouse in the center, right click, copy, get rid of it or save it to your computer if you want to. And then bring your Word document back up and click there. Well, for some reason it's not, there we go. There we go. So paste it right there. And you can make them larger by dragging them like that. Or if you send them to me, if I need to make them larger, I can do the same thing. So it's a pretty good tool. And you can keep track of all this. Then all I have to do is copy this and paste it into my photo. I can't even think what a PowerPoint document. I'm creating a PowerPoint. I'm hoping you can see this if I drag this over here, but it's going to have all the verses you guys send me in it, and some that I do. It'll be a powerful tool, and I will be saving that for you too. So I hope this helps. If you have any problems, call me. Please have these done. I had said Friday morning. I haven't got much from you guys, but I need them at least by Saturday morning if possible. So thank you.